With the sudden increase in COVID-19 cases and high positivity rate, the Delhi government has imposed a 10 pm to 5 am night curfew effective April 6th till April 30th, just day after the country reported over 1 lakh cases in a single day. Vaccination drive has begun across the country, but the second wave of COVID-19 has started to grip the nation. So people move out of homes only if necessary, else stay at home. So in this video, we give you the Delhi night curfew guidelines as to who is exempted, who requires e-passes and other supporting proofs. So as per the guidelines released by the Delhi government, no one will be able to travel for reasons not categorized as essential or for an emergency. So if we tell you in detail, the movement of healthcare workers, government officials, diplomat staff will not be restricted, but they will need to carry their identity cards as an exemption proof. While in case of pregnant women or those going to take the vaccine or someone with a medical emergency will be allowed to travel without any proof. While the movement of people who are into food, groceries, milk, fruit, meat, medicines, banking, or delivery agents of essential goods, petrol pump personals, workers at manufacturing units of essential commodities, cold storage, and warehousing services will not be restricted during the night curfew if they have their valid e-passes. If you are one of those mentioned in the above categories, you can simply apply for an e-pass at delhi.gov.in. The portal will simply ask you to submit the reason for travel, your photo ID and documents such as visiting cards, shop license, etc. and then you're done. While in case if you have a flight or train during the curfew hours, you do not have to worry. As with valid tickets, travelers to and from airports or train stations will be allowed. Or in case if you had to travel outside the territory of Delhi via road, need not worry, as movement of interstate and intrastate and essential, non-essential goods will not be restricted with valid documentation. Also, if you fall under the list of exemptions and wondering whether public transport will be available, yes. So services such as the Delhi Metro, buses, autos and taxis will function between 10 pm and 5 pm during the night curfew. So people follow these guidelines strictly, wear your mask and maintain social distance in the battle of fighting the deadly COVID-19 virus. For more information on COVID-19, do log on to india.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.